Morning students and assalamu alaikum. How are you today? I hope everyone is fine. Welcome back to school within few days. The Knowledge School Kite Campus English Literature Lecture number 19 Class 4 Revision of all fill in the blanks and MCQs prepared by Ms. Aisha Usman from Oxford Progressive English Unit number 3 and 5 page number 19. Here I will read some words in front of you and then we will use these words in the fill in the blanks. Angry, afraid, hungry, bear, tiger, frog, monkeys, jungle, hunts, cave. Complete the blanks using the words. This is a story about a boy who grows up in the jungle. His name is Mowgli, which means frog. Some of the characters are Bablu, the bear, and Sher Khan, the tiger. There is also a family of monkeys called Bandar Log. In the story, Sher Khan goes to the wolf's cave and asks them to give Mowgli to him, as he is hungry. The wolves refuse and the tiger goes away angry. I like Father Wolf because he is not afraid of the tiger. I don't like the tiger because he hunts people. Unit number 5, page number 26. Circle the correct answer to complete the sentence. A sea creature with 8 arms is called an octopus. A dash is a type of fish. Sea lion. We don't live on dash. We live 20 kilometers from the sea. Beach. You can't drive across the dash because the ground is too wet. Marsh. The dash of the story is not exciting. Not much happens. Plot. Page number 26. Question number 4. Complete the sentences. There isn't any shampoo in the bungalow. She was sitting on the veranda in her pajamas. Kangaroos do not live in the jungle. They live in open country. A panther is black, but a tiger is striped. A leopard is a type of a big cat with dark spots. Ape eat all kinds of nuts, seeds and berries. Dear students, today we have done all the revision of fill in the blanks and MCQs from Oxford Progressive English. Kindly tally all your answers with your books. Be prepared for your exams. Stay home, stay safe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.